Crapper. Rapper Crapper is a vlog where people naturally just like the first time I see Rapper Crapper thing, me just say, yo, this one bad. If I just sit down and watch the video and you know what I mean, the struggle is real. I'm just say, yo, like, there's just go and watch the other video them. You see what I say? I saw you go, dog. You know what I mean? So you go. The first time I listen to all Tef thing, I listen to Tef thing, I hear Tef intro dropping and know Tef doing thing. I say, yo, yeah, this is real, you know what I mean? J.A. Radio and them people, yeah. Say, yo, a good content them, yeah. When you watch, oh, yeah, but the dog say, me crocodile tail, my granny water park and them shit there. You can't do nothing but laugh, man. You want to see next video where man put up, man? Me watch Teach Them channel too. Teach Them channel is a channel where me love. Because, you know what I mean, and I always about, I saw me know what I go on in Jamaica most time. You know what I mean? You know what Slow Flow channel too, but Slow Flow do a wide range of things. Slow Flow channel good too. And him just big up Slow Flow and him 100,000 subscribers too. He just reach 100,000 subscribers. It's a good look. More vloggers will start reach 100,000. Me just see like the beginning of this year, if you don't know, Slow Flow channel was about 40,000 subscribers and the man reach 100 and the year not done yet. What that telling us say about Jamaican vlogging and potentially growing to be something. You see what I say? Great times are forward, man. But vloggers, you know, just know say that's how it go. Like, with everything in their life, we are going to get fight. You see what I say? Like, now I get strike, and now I get this, that. Just either we can go so boom and build it. You can establish a relationship with the producer artist them if they want. And that can be resolved. Like, you know what I mean? No more strike, XYZ. Or altogether we can find a way around it. You know what I mean? If they don't want that, you can't beat them, you join them. If you can't join them, you cut off the link. You see what I say? Good accomplishment. What do you mean? Wonder which channel I gonna reach the million first. Chaddy, 100,000 for a dancehall channel is like, it's a big feat. You see what I say? A few people in a Jamaican space reach and cross 100,000. And Dirty Berry are one of them. On stage, well, on stage should, you know what I mean? On stage is a big established channel. And Soul Flow, Tefan Mari, them close. Rapper Crapper reach. You see what I say? Facebook now, it's easy to go numbers. Facebook, Rapper Crapper like on Facebook, or 200 and something thousand last time I see. Excuse me. But for you reach YouTube 100,000 is a lot. So the million thing, brother, I don't know. You see what I say? The million thing is like, we have to wait for some more pitney ban at Jamaica and get some more cell phone dog, 3 million thing. You see me? Probably next 4 years. We say next 4 years before vloggers soon start reach million. Legit. The way Soul Flow growing fast. He do it. So, but how Soul Flow go fast, it depends on him channel. It's like clear as the he can reach fam, he can reach, but I mean I say like for right as of right now, fam, it's a very daunting task. Like, it's clearly how Soul Flow reach in work. Soul Flow have morning thoughts. When you say morning thoughts, there's just few things where make people watch it. Like me now watch Soul Flow's channel and me still say morning thoughts. That's a hook right there. That's something where make you want to go watch Soul Flow channel. You see what I mean? I say there's like him have him other show them like something happen. him give loop news, so him steadily have content. And I mean, growth on YouTube is exponential. The more following you get, is the faster you grow. So I mean, don't be surprised if him still a grow past 1K, 100,000K and a go, because the more subs you get and the more content you put out, the more views. You know what I mean? Another channel more and big up also too is big up Y-Pre TV too. You see what I say? And big up New Link Production too. Them their channel when I watch too. You see what I say? I mean, me don't see myself as no vlogger, you know. I mean, obviously me have a channel and me have people who watch my channel and thing, but me see myself as a person. If you look, you see Dancehall IG comment all across YouTube. But comment, me not afraid, me not one of them people that we are going like me more than people. Me not afraid to comment on an artist tune. And you know what I mean? Me not afraid to comment on another vlogger channel. You know what I mean? Me just feel like it's like I'm a fan too. I'm a fan. I like what you're doing. If me don't like what you do, I probably not gonna left no comment. But yeah, so me not gonna just jump on this. I mean, if it's the right thing, I gotta tell them I gotta put it there. But you know what I mean? Me comment on enough people channel. Me not have a problem with commenting on people channel. Yes, the artists them so reach 1 million. Them should have passed 1 million fam. Them should have passed 1 million. It's just because of, well, me don't know, because me not really a big supporter of having the 1 million per one channel. Me prefer have 100,000 per a lot of channel, or I don't know. It might not make no sense how me I say it, but what me really want to say, me feel like if you have it in one spot, you reach less people. You see me I say, so me feel like when it break up, what a lot of people about the numbers. A lot of people like knowing say boy at the million subscriber, the million followers, the million this, the million that. The Instagram million is a great number still. Because you know Instagram goes up. Me would want everybody if you have a million followers on Instagram. But when it comes to the Vivo and them thing there and the YouTube, like I feel like yes, true. Oh, Cartel and Alka 800K. That's good. And me feel like who no feel like I subscribe. Me want a reason to know. Like who no feel like these new numbers? Where they come from? Is this actually Jamaican people who never did want subscribe or subscribe now? Is this overseas people we are reach? Is this new generation people that get cell phone and computer and internet? Where this thing is come from? Where this thing coming from? Is it African people them now are tuning into it? Where numbers are come from? Like only thing all this growth are come from. They say Gaza diverse all over. We don't even know how the Caribbean set already. We know that Caribbean people always follow the vlogging and the YouTube thing. Oh, Chaddy Maria. All right. Up fam.
Yo.
Why you pray now?
A long time. I say me have got, you know, I'm a player.
Cool,
but
cool.
the more like Zane. I'm sure you why I said the million hard for it.
Yeah.
And I just time it out. Pre-this with a growing community. You see me? If you pre the statistics then, you see you are like the next big thing in probably 4-5 years from now. Everything on paper. Right? Say YouTube will grow. Which paper can run on everything. Alright, you see Facebook? Why you feel like say the numbers them easier for reach on Facebook? Remember Facebook was a more established platform where everybody and their mother literally depend on it.
Yeah.
You see me?
Sure.
Literally everybody and their mother depend on it. You see me? Facebook are dead because of the whole of the lawsuit them where them are get. And then it's like them new generation of crap here. Everybody wants to switch over to Instagram, isn't it?
Yeah.
It kind of just trendy.
Which is owned by Facebook, right?
The new generation of people.
Instagram owned by Facebook, right?
Huh?
Instagram owned by Facebook, right?
Exactly.
True.
You when you Mark Zuckerberg or him one name one smart little brother and a brother. You see me? Smart brother.
Yeah.
Alright. Pre this now. YouTube is a platform, as I say, a grow. And Google own YouTube. You see me? Google is YouTube.
Yeah.
Google, pan a company, pan a whole. Again, I one of the fastest growing company.
True.
I'm want you pre this and listen me I say that.
Yeah, I hear you from.
If you want to know how to tie your shoes lace, one time we used to go Google. But everybody stop go Google now and go YouTube. If you want to know how to fix a car and this part by a car, you go YouTube. Instead of going Google and read how to do it, and somebody are going to literally show you how to do it. You see me?
True.
That show say YouTube not dead. The platform on where YouTube depend is like on paper, as I say, the figures and everything is not a dying company because them keep on and get advertisement and everything.
Understanding about
so it's not a company where gonna crash soon. And being more people are born and people are get older. People where did a 10 and them thing there 10 years ago never have phone. Them you know, once them touch 2, they also pick me with 1 have tablet.
Yeah.
You see me?
Real.
And all of them tablet there have one YouTube subscription on it. It have one all of them are probably 90 or 80% of them.
True.
A Google Android upon them, so them come built in with an account already. So picture this, all of them people are going to start subscribe, them are going to have them favorite vlogger, them are going to have them favorite this and that. You see me? So YouTube, brother, nah die.
Yeah.
I'm going to advise anybody right now where like have one business. Make care where you do. Make care if you sell car, if you sell clothes, pick up Jojo, sell here, you see what she did?
And Queen of Attraction.
Advertise them thing, brother. You see me? Alright, social media are the next biggest thing in our right now.
Thank you, Andrew, for dropping number in our chat. Alright, Chaddy, me hear what you are saying, fam. I mean, I disagree none tall enough. Because we know say YouTube is a growing platform. When me I said though about the million, dog, for the Jamaican space, I not say impossibly and then not gonna reach them. I just say it'll take a while though. It probably gonna take a while before we start it. Oh, we regular vlogger.
It definitely gonna take a while, you know, brother.
Yeah.
It definitely gonna take a while.
And that me there say still, me never disagree. So we are gonna reach one day. You see what me I say? But I mean, there's big channel out there like me and you talk about with the
Reggae media.
Reggaeville. Akam this is one of the biggest channel from Jamaica right now. Where an artist. You see me I say? Akam upload music and Akam got what, like 500,000, 500,000 or something like this.
5 or 600,000, something like so.
Alright, you see what me I say?
Look at it. Enough artists now have the subscription where Akam have.
True. But remember, you know that years of work, Akam. You remember say Akam that do this thing here a long time enough, fam. Long time in a brother. Remember Akam, enough channel the bigger than Akam, you know. Enough channel the bigger than Akam, you know, brother. And Akam.
Brother, I pre this again, you know. You see, a channel like Akam, them now go grow faster than a regular vlogger when somebody has sit down and talk and build a relationship.
That's also true.
The subscriber them in that.
That's also true.
You see me?
Yeah.
Akam him just put up look on Akam videos them and see which one get more views. And mostly if him put up one big song from one prominent artist get views, you know.
That's true.
And look on the amount of subscription we have. Based on the subscription we have, every song we put up should have got at least 80K or 100K.
True, but that is.
And when you look at some of them, brother, at these, them they all 4,000, 1,000, 2,000.
I mean, yeah, you make a good point still. But what me want to ask, since you're there, what me did ask earlier, me I said, where you think all this growth are forward from? Like this rapid growth, because it's not a really. Even though me I say me not think the millionaire will be a man, we are SoFlo channel grow fast, brother. Like SoFlo had like 40,000 the beginning of the year around this, so, and him reach 100,000, 60,000 in a few months, brother. Where you think all that growth forward from? Where you think? You think this is all Caribbean people, Jamaican people? Or you think we are start actually?
Yes, if you tell the truth, brother, you know, say me not to what SoFlo like channel like that, so I don't really know. But when me watch him couple times, how me feel, him do different. Like him have a international flavor. Like
yeah,
him talk plain. Like him not talk rugged. Like I don't know. But in English sound more constructive.
I understand what you're saying. Him will reach out to a broader audience because him speak.
Him have a broader audience. So I feel like him not only target people in a Caribbean diaspora, but more like foreign people, like you see me?
Alright, so let me ask you
now. One I think.
So let me ask you, with that being said, what does it mean? Also, so legit talk, I say analytics still. True legit talk, but we don't know SoFlo analytics. We can't really and we're not gonna know the rest of them analytics still, unless a man tell you.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
We just talk from watching and analyze what really are going on.
Alright, but with that being said now, you say because I hear him talk, then him reach out to a broader audience. If you have a person like you and I now, when it's so polished and so speaky spokey and don't do those kind of topics, what you think that mean for us, like as far as growth is? Like how you think we can find our one way to get that rapid growth, that burst of just 60,000 subscribers, just, you know what I mean?
Right, you know, tell the truth, brother. Just put in the work and see what goes on. You see me?
True.
I don't know.
You see what I mean?
I mean, yo, Mr. Terror done get like about 100, about 10,000 sub in a something like about a month.
Yeah.
Or less than a month.
Yeah, because that's how it go. Like I said earlier, that growth is exponential. So the more you grow, I faster you grow.
At this point, you just fall in an algorithm and you just find a channel that grow rapid. As well as I can something you do different.
But let me show you pre. A channel like my channel, you have some people who watch my channel and will never subscribe in them fam. Me have way more views than enough people who have subscriber, way more subscriber than me now. But me have more views. Me have less subscriber, me have more views. You see me? Because my video them now, a man might just go so boom and type in a name and my video forward and he watch it, he don't want to subscribe, he don't care. He probably hear something on the road and want to see what I go on. And I my video pop up.
That's true.
So you see it give and take now when I say with when how it go forward into the million. You see what I say? There's a lot of things that can help. There's a lot of
you have a point. There's a lot of things to it, brother. A lot of things to it. But the greatest chance of we as in Jamaican Caribbean vloggers reaching the million is in YouTube. Just continue. YouTube itself as a platform just continue to do better.
So
even though we are YouTube literally.
See legit talk I drop some pointers there. Him say my advice, good thumbnail and good titles. And him say
definitely
good
content. Good thumbnail. Definitely good thumbnail. As in because thumbnail are like the first thing a man see, you know.
Yeah.
More time people see the thumbnail before them even read the title.
Yeah.
You see me?
We need to hear from some of my people in the chat room too. Why them want to watch our video and why they not. Like we want to hear that from some of the viewers them we watch, because not just we as vloggers, we need.
True, man, because I want to get some advice. Start up my channel, isn't it?
So people,
as I said, my channel, me recently just take up vlogging serious,
True.
Like probably a month ago or something, or 2 months ago or so, you see me?
Yeah.
And me never reach the K yet. Me never reach a 1K yet.
True.
You see me?
You'll get there, fam. Trust me.
I go and analyze the thing them and watch other people channel and see where they might do.
Yeah.
Like you have to watch back your content to that.
Have to, yeah.
People love my content, but feel like some watch my content wholly that. I'm gonna put up a video, never necessarily put up before I put it up. I have to watch it too much time.
Yeah.
See what could have changed or anything like that. Doesn't mean I just try continue that.
For real, fam, that's the way to go, cause you know what I mean. And you are your hardest critics, So anything where you go find by yourself, Some people might not even see that, but you fix it. You see what I say, fam. So I right thing you do. Trust me. People before that dead out still. Shit.
Yeah, man. Me want to tell you, say, yo, right now, not joking, right? Me I go about half an hour, 1 hour ago, me tell you, say, me I got, I'm still there.
Yeah, dog. I say go, dog. I just vibes, dog. And you know what I mean? I be a real people.
Energy, right, dog. You see me? And one thing, me love link up with YouTube, dog.
Real, fam.
You see me?
Real.
If you know what really I go on and whatever. Cause me as a man, me don't feel like me too big to take advice. Me love hear other people's opinion. You see me?
For real, fam. Real. And that's how you grow and learn, fam. Like, you know what I mean? That's Joe I say party shot.
Man. Party shot.
Yeah, man, me respect for real people them what they would do, man. You know what I mean? Andrew still there. Although, see all niche forward and I say we get the number G. Okay, I wonder if you still want to call in. If you're there still niche, say make we know. See number your Andrew post the number. So if you still want to call in.
Me never see that message.
Me never see it neither.
Oh no, I'm going to make she call in right now.
Alright, I hope she's still there about you still. But big up yourself, Chaddy Murray.